Hello everyone and welcome to a quick Gmail tutorial. In today's video I want to show you how to schedule an email in Gmail. This is actually quite simple. To do this I first open Gmail and I have already prepared an email that we want to send with a time delay. It is important that we do not click on send but on the small arrow next to it and then to schedule send. Here we get some suggestions at which time we could send the email. Under pick date and time I can also enter my own individual time. By default, a delay within the next hour is displayed here, but I can also change these dates individual. Once I'm done with this, I click on Schedule Send, and the mail is not yet sent, but in this new tab with the name Scheduled. Here I can find the email and can also see at what time it will be sent. If I no longer want to send the email, I can delete it here, or alternatively set a new time using the clock symbol. And that's all you need to know. I hope you enjoyed the video and I will see you again in the next tutorial. Until then, your tutorial guy. Bye.